Thank you for joining us today. My name is Joni Ogg, and today we're going to talk about, is it still worth it for new travel agents to join a host agency in 2026? And the answer is absolutely yes. It's not just in spite of all the AI changes shaping our industry, it's actually because of them. We're at a unique moment where technology is creating even more reasons to partner up. So let's explore why this model is more relevant than ever before for new agents. Let's take a look back at how the host agency model got started. It all began with the chaos from the Airline Deregulation Act of 1981. Suddenly, agents needed a more flexible and cost-efficient way to survive. And that's when clever entrepreneurs pooled resources and created the first host agencies. By the late 1980s, this model was taking off. And by 2000, host agencies had become major distribution channels. Fast forward to today, thousands of independent agents rely on hosts. And now, with AI and automation, the landscape is shifting yet again. So does the model still work in an AI-driven era? Absolutely, and not just surviving, but adapting and thriving. Let's break down the main reasons that a new agent should consider partnering with a host agency in 2026. We're talking about real practical advantages that go far beyond just access to suppliers. Ease of entry and low costs make it possible to get started quickly. You get hands-on training, mentoring, and a focus on AI skills that matter now more than ever. And marketing and operational support mean you're not left alone to figure things out. Technology access gives you tools that you couldn't afford as a solo entrepreneur. And relationships with preferred suppliers open the door to better commission structures and perks. Think about competitive pricing, qualified leads, and those coveted fam trips. These 10 points together are why the host agency model still thrives and why it makes sense for anyone starting out today. Starting a travel business on your own means a lot of red tape and upfront expenses. Licensing, forming supplier relationships, figuring out technology, and securing insurance, all before you even help your first client. Now, with a host agency, you skip the hardest parts and you jump straight into business. Startup costs drop dramatically and you're ready to go much faster. By 2026, top host agencies use AI to make onboarding lightning fast and seamless. Accreditations, supplier access, training, all handled for you in record time. It's as easy as signing up, opening your laptop, and you're off and running. And so let's talk a little bit about training and marketing advantages that you get with a host agency. Host agencies aren't just teaching travel basics. They're building your AI skills now from day one. Think about mastering AI itinerary builders, smart CRMs, even proposal generators that use the latest language models. And when your clients have already used AI themselves, your secret weapon is knowing these tools better than they do. Now you add marketing to that, and top host agencies have brought generative AI into all of your marketing opportunities. Think personalized email campaigns and content tailored specifically to your niche. It's like suddenly having a pro marketing team working behind the scenes for you, but without any of the payroll headaches. This is how you stand out and scale up, leveraging AI through your host for both learning and attracting clients. These are the unglamorous behind-the-scene tasks that can eat up a solo agent's week. Think about all the time you'd spend tracking commissions, managing invoices, chasing paperwork on your own. And a great host agency takes on that burden, letting you really focus on what matters, and that is selling travel and helping your clients. By 2026, hosts have now added AI to their back end, so issues like missing commissions are flagged for you automatically. And that means fewer headaches, less busy work, and more time actually growing your business and nurturing relationships. Technology is now a real game changer for agents. AI booking assistants let you scan hundreds of suppliers in just moments. Intelligent itinerary tools mean you can craft detailed trips for clients in minutes, not hours. And predictive pricing arms you with insights on when to book for the best deals. All of these advanced tools are built right into the host agency relationship. You get access to technology that solo agents could never afford on their own, and this puts you on equal footing with much larger competitors, all for a fraction of the typical cost. And preferred supplier relationships that take years to build come ready-made when you join a quality host. Access to these networks is nearly impossible as a true solo agent, especially when you're just starting out. You can match with a host that specializes in your travel niche, whether that's luxury, adventure, or group trips. And now let's talk a little bit about commissions. This is where things get really interesting. Host agencies earn more for everyone through collective buying power, which means higher base commissions and those valuable overrides. Promos, incentives, bonuses, these add up in a way that's simply out of reach if you're trying to do it alone. And here's what's new. Hosts are layering in AI commission tools that analyze all the options to help you maximize earnings while staying aligned with your clients' interests. It's simply smarter math, but it's also smarter business. Great commissions are just your starting point. Host agencies use their leverage to negotiate client deals that you simply can't find online. Even the savviest clients with AI chatbots can't unlock some of the rates. And when you show your clients a better price, well, it instantly sets you apart. Combine those exclusive deals with your expertise and your personal service. That's something that no algorithm or self-serve platform can truly match. So let's face it, nobody enjoys endless cold calls or chasing unqualified leads. Well, today's top host agencies invest heavily in bringing travel shoppers right to your doorstep. For a new agent, this kind of support can transform your first year, helping you build a client base so much faster. AI lead scoring means you get prospects tailored to your travel specialty. Right away, you spend less time sifting through random inquiries and more time working real opportunities. And this translates to higher conversion rates and quicker growth, even as you're just starting out. It's another way a host agency sets you up for success so that you can focus on booking travel, not hunting for clients. And perks are one of the most exciting parts of being partnered with a host agency. You get access to benefits that do truly set this job apart from others. Fam trips, special travel rates, and insider experiences are all within reach because hosts are major accounts with the suppliers. Sometimes you hear stories about agents inspecting luxury ships or exclusive resorts, and these opportunities happen because of hosting relationships. This is how you not only build expertise, but also turn your passion for travel into unforgettable experiences. So here's a quick snapshot of what sets host agencies apart in 2026. Every factor on this list is a real advantage for new agents. None of these can be taken for granted if you go it alone. low cost and instant onboarding thanks to powerful AI tools, and comprehensive training that keeps you ahead of the technology curve. Marketing support that leverages AI to grow your reach fast, and seamless back office operations and reliable commission tracking take a huge burden off your plate. Enterprise level technology built right in, giving you the best tools from day one. And access to long-standing supplier relationships that solo agents simply don't have. Higher commissions and bonuses driven by smart AI optimization. Exclusive pricing for your clients. No chatbot can compete with that. Quality leads delivered straight to you, already matched by travel niche. And of course, those industry perks every travel advisor dreams about, fam trips and travel discounts that are available. If you're just starting out in travel, really now is the time to take advantage of what a quality host agency can offer to you. Trying to do everything on your own is like ignoring today's best navigation tools because you want to do it the hard way. It might seem admirable, but make it harder or slower than it needs to be. In this era of rapid change, partnering with a host is still hands down the smartest move for new agents. You don't have to figure it all out alone. There are resources and support just out there waiting for you. Be sure to check out findahosttravelagency.com for more information and to find the right fit for your business. Thank you for watching this short video. We hope you've enjoyed it. If so, why not give it a like or a share? And if you would like to know when we release future tutorials, just subscribe to our channel.